it's Gina with WTI. And if you love gardening, but you hate bending over to get to your garden, then you are going to love this raised garden bed on legs from Pikorce. This comes with everything that you need to assemble it. In fact, I was able to do it in about an hour. A couple of tips for assembly. I would recommend waiting to tighten the corner bolts until you've assembled all of the legs together. Once you have all the legs put into place, then go ahead and tighten them down. And then also some of the holes don't quite align perfectly. So what I found was using the screwdriver, I could put that inside the hole and then kind of push it over to where the other hole was in order to align it. One of the other really awesome things about it that you won't see on all raised beds is that it does have a shelf on the bottom for putting implements and other supplies. Because this is galvanized metal, this is going to be able to withstand a lot of the different elements that we get here in the Pacific Northwest. And I know that it's going to last a lot longer than some of my wood raised beds that are already deteriorating. I'm so pleased with the size and the function of this raised garden bed. It's going to be awesome for all my gardening needs this summer, and that's my point of view.